Hello and welcome to the All-American Shutters and Glass family. Our team would like to formally introduce you to your accordion shutters. Compact and convenient, aluminum accordion shutters are housed beside your windows or doors when not in use. As their name suggests, they unfold from both sides of the opening to cover and secure your home. Through continuous and reliable protection, your accordions are easy to deploy in preparation for a storm and to provide maximum safety in the roughest of weather and wind conditions. This 100% impervious shutter system is also perfect to keep your property secure in the event that you are leaving your home vacant for a significant amount of time. To deploy your accordion shutters, begin by removing the Velcro straps and placing them in a safe place for later. Slide the shutters from each end towards the center. Please note the correct interlocking procedure. When interlocking panels, make sure your fingers are not on the track. Lock your shutters by depressing the locking button. Excellent job! You have now successfully deployed your All-American Shutters and Glass accordion shutters. To reopen your accordions, start by unlocking them and pulling the shutters apart from the center. Once your accordion shutters are condensed on either end, secure with Velcro straps. To maintain your shutters, it is suggested to wash them twice a year with soap and water to prevent salt and debris buildup. Do not pressure wash. Lubricate tracks with LC wax. Do not use a silicone-based lubricant like WD-40. At All-American Shutters and Glass, our people-first mentality empowers you with greater peace of mind to know that your loved ones and physical possessions within your home are secure by ensuring that outside threats remain out. All-American Shutters and Glass. Build a life. Protect a legacy.